Before we learn pointers, it's essential to know about the address of operator, that is ampersand sign. So let's begin. Let's revisit the variable declaration and how it is stored in the RAM, that is memory. When you declare a variable, it creates some space or location in the RAM which has a unique hexadecimal address. If you declare int I is equal to 5, you can visualize it somewhat like this. Here I is the name of the variable, 5 is the value, and 3456 is the variable i's address. Variable I is the named address of this 3456 location. So when you say cout I, the I refers to the address to perform the operation. You can refer to value 5 by using this 3456 address also, and that's what pointers do. These addresses are hexadecimal values, and we can practically check that by getting the address of variable using the address of operator, that is ampersand sign. Let's try it. I'll write int I is equal to 5, cout, let me print a message, value is equal to, and let me join the value of I. Now on the next line, I will add a message address is equal to, and I will join the address of I, that is ampersand I. Now let me run the code, and as you see, it displays 5 and the hexadecimal value, which is the address of the variable I in the RAM. If I change this figure for the output, instead of 3456, it is this hex value address. Remember that addresses are hex values, so even if I declare a character and refer to the address, certainly it will be a hex value only.